here in Maracas Bay, beautiful sights. Found our way to Uncle Sam's and Sons Bacon Shark. We're looking forward to try some good food.
We've heard a lot about this bacon shark, so we're gonna try it out.
Yeah.
We're
We're
gonna
using our iHungry app. Definitely a must.
get that special $10 off 2 bacon sharks. There's 2 of us. Perfect.
You have to come and try this bacon shark. So we have the fried shrimp.
So good.
Super delicious, fried to perfection. Here at Uncle Sam's and Sons, you have to come by and see.
Alright, we're looking through these cocktails here.
Upside down.
They have a Corona Rita. It's infused with Corona, but no, not the virus, but the beer.